I'm Gigi.
I'm Poppi.
I'm so glad you could join us for story time. Today's story is Skeleton Hiccups, written by Margery Cuyler, illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Played with Ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost told Skeleton, hic, hic, hic. Hold your breath. Hic, hic. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic. Press your fingers on your eyeballs. Drink some water upside down. Ghost made a face. Said boo to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. And he held it up. Skeleton screamed. And the hiccups left. And they jumped away. Hooray!
Thanks again for reading along with us. Join us again next time for story time with
Gigi
and Poppi.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.